It's happened once again. Another educational lesson has crept its way into a comic book. This time, it's the tale of Daredevil versus Vapora, the Fume of Doom. Vapora is an evil entity made up entirely of gasoline vapors, and she looks for any opportunity to burst into flames and burn people alive. This particular comic was sponsored by the Water Heater Division of the Gas Appliances Manufacturers Association, and that's quite a mouthful. The story opens with Daredevil saving a little girl from a burning building. At the moment, the cause of the fire is unknown, but blame is quickly cast on the landlord. It's suspected that he's torching the buildings to cash in on insurance money. Coincidentally, the landlord hires lawyer Matt Murdock to defend him. Matt, of course, is Daredevil's civilian persona. Daredevil has the ability to tell when people are lying to him. He basically hears their hearts beating erratically, kind of like a natural lie detector. While talking to the landlord, Daredevil determines that he's innocent. Something or someone else has caused the building fire. Later, we see Matt Murdock investigating the charred building wreckage with the chief fire inspector. It seems a bit odd to me that Matt would be allowed on the premises, considering he's now representing the man accused of setting the building fire itself. If Matt was a crooked lawyer, he could potentially be there to conceal or destroy evidence. But I guess we're not supposed to nitpick the details of a children's comic book. This is when we learn the building fire was accidentally caused by gasoline fumes. The tenant was changing linoleum tiles in his kitchen and using gasoline as a solvent to eat away the old glue. The fumes were then ignited by a stove or something and exploded. Meanwhile, Vapora continues to burn people all across town. She finds an incredibly stupid woman who's scrubbing gum out of her living room carpet using gasoline, and smoking at the same time. Vapora also attacks a couple teenage fools who wash their motorcycle clean with gasoline, and then immediately fire up the engine for no good reason. The cycle heats up, explodes, and causes all sorts of problems. Ultimately, Daredevil engages Vapora in battle, and defeats her with a simple fire extinguisher. But she's only temporarily incapacitated. You see, Vapora's immortal. She's forever. She can never be destroyed. The only real way to defeat her is to observe proper safety procedures around gasoline. Only use it as a motor fuel, never as a cleaning product. And always keep it safely stored in a leak-free container. By the way, this comic was published in 1993. I can't believe people were still using gasoline as a regular household product back then. But apparently there was enough cause for alarm to warrant the publishing of this comic book. Stop being stupid, people.